So why don't you go for it?
I'll take the first bite.
Take the first bite.
It's for me?
Yes, take the first bite.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be making miso salmon. It's my first time making it, but I'm really excited, so stay tuned.
All right, guys. So when I made a miso sauce last time, I made a mistake of not making the actual marinade first. So today we're gonna learn from our mistakes, and we're gonna make the sauce. So garlic is one of my best friends. I made friends with garlic back in elementary school when I had no friends. We're just gonna be chopping up a couple pieces of garlic first. So I have about this whole salmon. So we're gonna cut this into about 3 chunks. So we're gonna use maybe about 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, so once it's all cut, we're gonna place it into this big mixing bowl right here. So we have all our ingredients over here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with miso. So I have a mixture of red and white miso. We're gonna place that in. We're gonna start off with a big heaping spoonful. I'm probably gonna use about maybe 2 there, maybe 2.5 actually. What we're gonna do is I got the sake, and I just have some water here just to wash my hands. We're gonna put about a tablespoon of sake, about a tablespoon and a half of mirin, and then I have this honey here. Hopefully we have some left. Oh, nice. So we got about maybe a teaspoon-ish of honey. We got the black pepper, and then a little bit of sesame oil. Splash of sesame oil. There we go. We're going to just mix everything together because the miso is a little bit thick. So now it's incorporating into the sauce. And then just to add a little bit of flavor and a little bit of color as well. I don't love this brownish color. Kind of looks like mud to me. So we're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. I'm just gonna bring a little bit more of that umami there. And it's gonna add, guys, honestly, I'm colorblind, so this kind of looks like a little caramel-y now. Okay, so let's mix. There we go, let's try it. Needs more, so I got some more honey here. Try it again. We're cutting the salmon now. Let's see, we're gonna cut into about maybe thirds. So we're gonna start here. Let's see if we can cut through. Perfect. There we go, that's one. Just like this, perfect. So what we're gonna do here is, all we're gonna do is we're gonna place this in there. We're gonna get everything to the party, get everyone to know each other. Place that there. And then we're actually just gonna let this marinate for about 2 hours, at least 30 minutes, and then we'll be back to check on them. All right, guys, so the salmon has been marinating for about 2 or 3 hours now, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna shake off all the excess sauce, and then we're just gonna place it on the baking tray and then cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And with miso, it can burn really easily, so that's why we're shaking off the excess sauce. And just putting in a bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this chill. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the oven on broil, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit of extra sauce on the top, and then we're just gonna put it back in the oven for just a couple minutes. All right, so we're just gonna take it out of broiler now. Sweet. So we're just gonna place it here, let it chill for a little bit. So we're just gonna plate it now. What we're gonna do is sesame seeds. And then some green onions. All right guys, I have my salmon and I also have my friend here, Greta Cooks. She's gonna be taste testing this salmon with me. So why don't you go for it?
I'll take the first bite.
Take the first bite.
It's for me?
Yes, take the first bite. Let's try it.
Let's try.
And be honest here.
Umami. No, it's good. I like it. And there's a little bit of sweetness from the honey.
Yeah.
But the miso is nice and savory, so I think it's a really good balance.
I think you're better at describing these things than me.
It's the Italian genes, man.
Okay, cool.
A little bit more. It's actually really good. Can't stop.
behind the scenes, eh? Alright guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my friend Greta's channel
On Instagram.
on Instagram. It's at Greta Cooks. I'll leave the handle in the description. Otherwise, if you guys have any comments for me, please let me know in the comments below. And if you guys want to follow my journey, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, peace.